Crypto is an interesting one. I mean, at the end of 21, I'd been at VTOL almost 7 years, and crypto was sort of coming of age as a marketplace. What was so exciting about it at the time, and continues to excite me, is that it is a digital commodity. It looked familiar. I didn't really get it up until that point, but once the market became a little bit more robust, I realized, okay, so what is a commodities network? It's crude oil is just this decentralized world of fungible or semi-fungible hydrocarbons. In and of itself, it's not that particularly useful, but once you put it through a refinery, it becomes jet fuel and diesel and all the things that make the world go around. So basically, you have this physical network. You have producers and consumers of this thing. All over the world, there's sort of like kind of physical computation going on. And similarly with crypto, in and of itself, a Bitcoin or 1 unit of ETH isn't particularly useful to anybody. But if you refine it, i.e. you buy it or you mine it and then you spend a little bit of it as gas, effectively, there's some losses in crypto too, then suddenly you can turn it into, interest-bearing products, certificates of authenticity called NFTs, and all these little digital goods and services that'll fuel the online world where society is increasingly spending, the vast majority of its time, like it or not. So the digital commodities world sort of made sense to me, and the volatility is actually pretty similar. 30 to 50% in crude oil, maybe 50, 60% in natural gas, and crypto somewhere between 30 and 80% these days. Like it's like just the prices move a similar amount per day, per year. And so, I kind of got my head around it.